If you don't like yawning but still do it when others do, then stay tuned because you're about to find out why. Yawning is like nature's social glue. When you see someone yawn, your brain's mirror neurons fire up like a Broadway opening night. It's an ancient way of showing empathy and bonding with others. Yep, even cavemen were probably yawning in sync around the campfire. Scientists say it's our brain's way of cooling down, just like cracking open a window on a hot day. But why is it so catchy? It's all about connection, my friend. Your brain sees someone yawn and goes, "Hey, I feel that too." Kind of like how we all cheer when the Yankees hit a home run. So next time you catch a yawn, remember you're just tuning into the human network. Cool, huh? And now you know? Catch you on the next one.